Welcome all. This is Kishore Karthikeyan, teaching assistant at AJK College of Arts and Science, Coimbatore. Today, in this video content, I will be illuminate about the quantum computing. Quantum computing is an interesting field of computer science in which quantum physics and quantum mechanics is used to solve various computational problems. In order to understand the concept of quantum computing, we have to learn about two properties of quantum particles, which are superpositions and the second is entanglement. We can ask that why we need quantum computing. We say that we need quantum computing because these quantum computer can solve a task in matter of seconds, in which may take years to solve in world's most powerful classical computer or the supercomputer. Now we move to the properties of quantum particles, which are superpositions and entanglement. Superpositions is the ability of a particle which we know now onwards denote. Superpositions is the ability of a particle in which we now onwards denote as qubits to possess both zeros and ones in the same instance of time, that they can exist in both states irrespective of time analyzed. While classical computers are embedded with the transistors which can possess either one state at a time, and that makes the quantum computer to perform in an incredible speed. Entanglement is the property of the photons to change the state instantaneously even if they separated apart about the distance of the galaxy with respect to each other. That is, if we collect a photon of the same origin, then no matter how far they are separated, when analyzed at the same time, if one photon exists in zero state, then another at the far distant will possess one at the same instance of time. No matter how many times it is being repeated, they possess this property as it is, which is called as entanglement. So, implementing these properties into an analyzable scale and making computational parts which can be programmed with languages like Quasar, which is quantum assembly, and these qubits can be used to solve various classical computational problems which are not possible with the classical computing power. One of the most famous problem is weather prediction, which is a hectic task with classical computing, but will be soon possible with more accuracy with quantum computing. These quantum computers are programmed by various companies like IBM, Google, etc. So these computers are also accessible through cloud, in which IBM provides a cloud access facility through ibm.computing.com. Thank you.